Alright, I'm just going to share with you guys how I like to mix my Permacolor Select grout. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use a 12.5 pound bag. For every 12.5 pounds you need 1 packet. So if you do 25 you need 2. So it's right there in the container. So what I'm going to do is I pour about half the bag into the bucket. Then I took the color pouch, cut it open, dumped it in here. I'm going to take the rest of the bag, pour it in. Now I'm going to actually hold on to this bag, because whatever leftover grout I have, I'm going to put it right back in here. Now the next step is, I'm just going to use a drill and mixing tile here. We're going to mix it up. So I use a drill. Now I'm using margin trowel to really get down in deep, make sure we get no white powder. We want everything looking the same here. Alright, so we're good. So that's how you dry mix this Permacolor Select grout. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop out some dry powder into my grout bucket, mix it up as I need, and whatever I have left in here, I'm just going to put it back in the bag, label it, the date that I did it, the color, all that, so the client has it. That way if you ever need to do a whole nother section, they want to use that color, they can do it, or they ever need to re-grout it at some point, they know the exact color, and that's it.